Hey y'all, this is my new Tensa 4 hammock stand. You see I've got the big orange screw here, and when I first set it up I didn't want to put a big hole in my, don't tell, but this grass isn't real. I didn't want to poke a big hole in my fake grass, so I used the stake that came with the stand instead of the screw on the head end, and it pulled out because apparently this is really sandy soil underneath the grass. And so now I know to use the big orange screw on the head end. Anyway, it takes some adjustments. I may need to lengthen the orange strap at the base a little so I can widen the base. That's one of the adjustments you have to figure out. Adjusting the tilt. I actually slept in this hammock. This is my cheap Amazon Basics hammock I picked up for almost nothing, by the way. Hopefully within a few days I'll be receiving my new Amok Draumr 5.0, which is a 90-degree hammock, which means I'll sit in the hammock and look out on that view. But in the meantime, it's adjusted to this hammock. Anyway, I slept in it the other night, and it was great, except I didn't have it tilted enough. Now you see the head end is lower by a foot or two, and I moved the hammock further to the head end, and that storage bag hanging underneath is right at the center. So you see my center is now on the head end of the center strap. Makes everything work much better, makes me sleep much better, everything's more balanced. It has its own ridge line, and I set up my own ridge line. I set up a cheapy tarp just to see how it was worked and hung and all that, and it actually worked great. I've got a real what did I say that was? A tarp on the way, along with the extensions so that the tarp will be higher and I can use a longer tarp. In case you're wondering what these are, hold on just a sec. So these are giant twist ties. Hi, puppy dog. I use just to tie up the hammock against the ridge line when I'm not using it, and keeps birds from pooping in it and leaves from falling in it and wind blowing it away, because we get sometimes 50-mile-an-hour winds up here. 30-mile-an-hour winds are a regular occurrence. Paradise has its price. Anyway, these things are really handy. So there's the stand. Looking forward to the tarp extensions, the real tarp, and my Amok Draumr. I can't wait. But yeah, this is a pretty awesome stand. I've got a separate bug fly for this hammock that I actually don't like at all. It's a zip side. It's really a pain for me to get in and out of and try to zip without killing myself and all that. But it would hang. I could hang it off here or put another line across the top. And This is really thought out doodad. Now, if I was sticking with this hammock, I'd be done. No more fidgeting, because now I know how to set it up. I do need to practice setting it up and taking it down and remembering which straps go where, but I'll readjust when the Amok shows up. And yeah, this is definitely when I can camp anywhere now. I don't have to worry about finding trees or finding out that hammocks are banned or whatever. I'm good to go. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and a great apocalypse. Bye.